In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online data. Backing up your accounting data is like creating a safety net so you can confidently make changes knowing you can roll back if needed. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and confirming you're in the correct company. From the main dashboard, look to the upper right corner for the small gear-shaped settings icon. Click that to open your settings menu. In the menu that appears, find and select Backup Company. This opens QuickBooks Online's backup area where you can capture a snapshot of your books. If you don't see Backup Company, your plan or permissions may be different, but if it's listed, you are in the right place. On the backup page, choose Run Manual Backup. A manual backup takes a snapshot immediately, which is perfect before large imports, year-end adjustments, or cleanup work. You'll be offered backup type options. Choose Full. A full backup gathers everything into a complete snapshot of your company data rather than only recent changes. It's the most thorough option and the one you want when you need a comprehensive restore point. Once Full is selected, click Backup to start the process. Keep your browser tab open and connected to the internet while the backup runs. How long this takes depends on the size of your company file and your connection speed. Small files finish quickly, while larger ones may need a bit more time. You may see a status indicator while it processes. When the backup completes, you'll see a confirmation right on the page, typically with a date and timestamp showing your most recent backup. That timestamp is your proof that today's snapshot is safely stored. If you're preparing for a major change, it's a good habit to note that timestamp somewhere you track changes, so you always know which restore point aligns with your work. And that's the whole process. Open the settings menu, go to Backup Company, run a manual backup, choose Full, and click Backup. Using this simple flow gives you a reliable restore point whenever you need one. For ongoing protection, consider backing up before payroll runs, before importing transactions, or before making bulk edits. If your subscription includes automated backups, you can manage those in the same area, so the safety net is always up to date. Thanks for watching. With this backup completed, you're ready to continue working in QuickBooks Online with more confidence.